Look, I saw something in here that also get cold. I saw where is it? There's a turquoise, guys. See? Hello! You're hiding? Are you cold also? Look at that, guys. Hello! Hello, my friend. So just take a shelter here. I know you're cold. Here you go. She's cold. And she is taking shelter. She's shy, so okay. Take rest and keep yourself warm, my friend. I leave you alone now. Bye-bye. Okay, I have to cover some more, okay? So that you'll not be cold. See you next time. Hi guys! So today we're gonna take off the cover of my plants and see the aftermath of the Texas snowstorm. Let's go! So guys, the other day I feed the turtles. See, I feed lettuce and the cucumber, but I think he doesn't eat it. So let's see if the turtle is still there or he already walked somewhere. So guys, I'm looking for the turtle. Let's see if the turtle is still here. Hello, turtle. Okay guys, the turtle is not here anymore. It walked away somewhere else. Hello guys, I found the turtle. It's right here in the burrow, underneath the ground, right here. I'm happy that he stays alive. Right here, guys. In the burrow, guys. Hello, turtle. See? You see that cave in there? In the burrow? You make a hole. Underneath this, I cover with a tarp. And right here, you see the shell? You see the shell? See that? He's right there. I don't want to disturb it, guys, but I can see the shell. Hold on. Yay, I'm so happy that he's alive. We're gonna put some more lettuce in here. Yay. Right there, guys. You see that? That is the shell. Right there. That is kind of a yellowish brown shell. That one right there. See, he make a burrow. Like a cave or something. Right there, I covered here. Underneath this avocado. And that's the turtle right there. See, it's alive, guys. Hi, turtle. I'm so happy that you're alive. Mwah, I love you, turtle. I'm gonna give you lettuce and more veggies, okay? See you later. So guys, after the snowstorm, I researched the turtle. They said that it will die of starvation because all of the grass is wilted and the grass will die. Some of the grass will die that they eat. So I feed it with lettuce and cucumber. Wait, right here. Hello. Hello, turtle. You eat. Here you go. Eat, please. Eat. There's lettuce. There's lettuce. I think I'm gonna cover it because It said that you have to protect them from the raccoons because the raccoons is one of the predator. So I'll cover it, guys. I cover it to protect it from the raccoons. The turtles, guys, is alive because I touched the shell and it moved. And now, so we give lettuce and cucumber. Now we also give water. Hello, turtle. There's the water. Okay. Where are you? Here's cucumber. And here is the water. Hi guys! After 12 days, titingnan natin yung turtles kung andyan pa ba sa kanyang lungga or sa kanyang ground or cave or burrow. Let's go! See, after the snowstorm, all my plants died. Ayan. I have so much to clean up. Nandito yun. See, ito yung avocado. This is the avocado trees. And the turtle is underneath here. Let's go. Let's check it out. So I give her or him food and water. See, that's the water and food. Ayan yung burrow niya, guys, or underground cave. Wala na, guys. Wala na siya dito. Oh my God. Umalis na siya sa bahay niya dahil mainit na at hindi na malamig. So, yung hibernation niya is tapos na. So, let's take this out. Recycle this. So, guys, gilayasan ko sa turtle, guys. Huwag batasan. Joke lang. Umalis na si haring turtle. Tapos na siya nag-hibernate. Ewan ko kung saan na siya ngayon. So, siguro lumayas na at naghanap ng kadate. You know. Ano na siguro kahit saan-saan na gumagala. Hinahanap niya yung forever niya. Sana babalik siya ulit next winter. Nagpa-adapt lang sa akin ng 12 days tapos lumayas na. Kasi yung ito, maganda ng panahon, mainit na. Kung saan-saan na yung gumagala, guys. So guys, isa ito si kinakain ng turtle. Tortoise, they eat dandelions, that one. So the tortoise is maybe around here, but I cannot find her. I don't know where it is. This one, they eat this, the dandelions, and this one. So okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.